You know, there is an entire section of the grocery store nowadays dedicated to gluten-free diets. How do you know, however, how much of it is actually gluten-free? It can be very dangerous for people who are gluten intolerant. Now, currently, there is no standard for food makers on what they can label gluten-free, but the FDA is changing that, mandating new regulations that will start next year.
Yeah, but as morning anchor Bridget Ellison found, even these new labels may be confusing for customers as well.
Two types of cookies, both of them say gluten-free. But if you really can't have any gluten in your diet, how do you know you can trust the label is accurate?
Cookies, crackers, pasta, and more. If you need or want to be on a gluten-free diet, the options abound.
That the products available to the public are so much more than we used to have.
Dr. Maryam Kashi is a gastroenterologist at Florida Hospital. She says with all those options comes confusion. Some products say gluten-free, some say gluten and wheat-free. Some companies make bold claims on the labels. Look at this pasta. The food maker boasts manufactured in a wheat-free factory. We specialize. There's no assurance on these cookies, although the brand name is Glutina. And if you read enough labels, eventually you'll come across this line. Tested to confirm gluten levels do not exceed 20 parts per million.
The 20 parts per million is the best labeling, the most reliable. Usually you can find that on the back.
Only a few brands volunteer that information on their labels right now. But starting next year, if the food is labeled gluten-free, the FDA will require it to meet the 20 parts per million standard.